Thank you for watching the episode of Temu'S Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is the last of my Keep My Specialty Future Battleship builds that I'm doing here. Technically I have two of these guys, but I think I'm only going to do one for right now. I kind of wanted to do a challenge with my wife, her against me, but I don't think she's as into it as I am. Maybe we'll get some bricks out here so you can take a look at them. They are numbered, 1-2. They are Lego size, but they are not Lego bricks. Here is our instruction book. And it definitely has some decals to it. But yeah, so it's going to make this cool tank looking thing. Also has firing components there, as a lot of the other builds in this little line have had. See my other videos. I have a little mech walker. There is a little spaceship, and there is another tank type thing, a mini tank with huge Gatling guns on the front of it. The builds have been very Lego-like, with the exception maybe the flyer one. It was a little bit unbalanced, so you have to put it onto a plate. That's my only complaint on it. Otherwise, it was a great build. The instructions have been fine in these kits. Easy to follow. Nothing too dramatic. Oh yeah, lots of fun really for me. So I will put this last guy together here on camera real quick and then give it a full review. Let's get building. Okay, we got it all done. This is the Keep My Specialty Future Battleship Star tank build. Supposed to look like that, and it looks just like that. Very fun, very Lego-like build. Nothing real frustrating on it. No missing pieces. It's got a lot of mobility here. You can move this around, point something down. I'm going to try not to fire the missiles, because as soon as I do, I will never see them again. But yeah, it rotates all the way around quite nicely. It does have treads. I know I have yet to build anything on treads that actually rolls on the treads. It tries, but it doesn't really. It can roll though. Let's see. If you pick it up and see, they actually don't roll too stiffly. It's actually pretty nice. It's got one on the front, one on the back. So yeah. So other than it doesn't roll the treads very well, maybe on more rougher surface. To fire the guns, I think you need to roll these things down, and then you just have to touch them, and they'll fly right away. Absolutely. Yeah, but very fun build, pretty quick. Just maybe 3, maybe 4 hours, I guess. The bags are divided nicely, so they're actually pretty quick to complete. The last set of bags 3s, they took the longest because you had the more detail stuff you were adding and things like that. So that's probably I took that one a little bit longer. But yeah, I mean, it's beautiful. The other builds of this were just as much fun. I enjoyed every last bit of these guys. I'm sad I technically have one left, but it's the same one. I don't know that I really need to build a second one. I might have my wife do it just to see if she can get to see how she feels about the experience. We were going to race, but like I said, just never came about there. Here are all the other builds together with it. So the mini tank there, and the little walker. Again, all very fun, very good builds. And that's the little flyer guy. I'm going to take him off his board here. There we go. Oh, flyer guy. But like I said, he doesn't sit very well. He's the B+. Everybody else is A+. But yeah, super fun. If you ever come across these on Temu, which is where I got them, certainly would recommend them. I haven't found them anyplace else yet. If I do, I'll put a link to them in the description so you can enjoy the fun too. Thanks so much for watching Salone's Reviews. I hope this helped you decide where you want to build one of these builds by Keep My Specialty. I think they're worth it if you come across them. Please consider supporting us on Patreon for $3 a month. You get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 will be decided what they'll make next. And hopefully it's one of these Keep My Specialty builds. I'm going to try to find some more of their kits and see what I think about some of their other builds, because they are so Lego-like. I just got to try some more. Thanks for watching. If you have a minute, please hit that subscribe button down there. And certainly hit the like button if you found this video helpful to you.